release of DeepSeek AI from a Chinese company should be a wake-up call.
China's DeepSeek scrambling part of the narrative around American AI supremacy, shaking the stock market earlier this week.
NVIDIA losing nearly $600 billion in market cap today alone.
Hello, welcome to WAGMI. Glad to have you here for another episode. Artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency, two of the most disruptive forces of the 21st century. One is changing how we think, create, and work, while the other is revolutionizing finance, decentralization, and trust. But what happens when these two worlds collide? Can AI-powered crypto agents revolutionize trading, or will they introduce more risks than rewards? And what about China's DeepSeek AI, an open-source model shaking up the AI industry? Could it impact Bitcoin and the broader financial system? In today's deep dive, we'll explore these questions, unpacking the potential of AI-driven cryptocurrency projects and looking at the controversies surrounding DeepSeek AI. Whether you're an investor, developer, or just curious about the future of tech, you won't want to miss this. Before we continue, please smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for the latest in crypto. To understand the impact of DeepSeek AI, we first need to break down what it is and why it's making waves. DeepSeek AI is a Chinese artificial intelligence company that recently unveiled an open-source large language model, LLM. It was created with a budget of just $6 million, shockingly low compared to the billions spent by Western tech giants like OpenAI, Google DeepMind, and Anthropic.
Look, I think this is a company that has sent shockwaves through Silicon Valley and through Wall Street right now. What has happened is that essentially a made-in-China AI model developed by this company, DeepSeek, has shown that it can create something that is similar in terms of proficiency as its rivals, American rivals like OpenAI's ChatGPT, but it was done using inferior chips, so chips with less power, and it uses less data. And it is those facts that really have created this kind of shockwave through financial markets, in part because companies like NVIDIA, which makes AI chips, they have seen their share prices over the last year or so rise and rise, pushing it into $1 trillion company on the basis of the fact that because we expect AI to grow so much, there's going to be this huge demand for chips. Now you've got Wall Street reconsidering that, and you've got Silicon Valley also nervous that perhaps America won't be the dominant player in AI in the sort of race to kind of dominate this technology.
Despite this, DeepSeek's model boasts an impressive 671 billion parameters, making it one of the largest open-source models ever developed. But why does this matter? Because AI development has been dominated by companies with enormous budgets. Open-source AI projects typically lack the resources to compete with closed-source models like ChatGPT or Gemini. However, DeepSeek challenges this status quo, proving that with the right research and efficiency, a relatively low-budget project can still compete with the best. This isn't just about AI innovation, it's also about geopolitics. China has been pushing for AI independence, investing heavily in domestic projects to reduce reliance on American technology. DeepSeek represents a major milestone in that strategy, but its release also raises concerns about AI regulation, ethics, and security risks. Now let's talk about how DeepSeek AI is shaking up the crypto world. AI and crypto might seem unrelated at first, but they share one critical resource: computational power. Both require immense amounts of processing, whether it's training AI models or securing blockchain transactions through mining and proof-of-work algorithms. Interestingly, companies that mine Bitcoin, such as Core Scientific, Hut8, and Bit Digital, have been expanding into AI computing services. Why? Because they already own the infrastructure, large-scale data centers packed with GPUs and ASICs, the very same hardware needed to train AI models. However, when DeepSeek AI was announced, the stock prices of these mining companies plunged by 13% to 18%. Why? Investors feared that an ultra-efficient AI model like DeepSeek would reduce the demand for high-powered computing, potentially devaluing these mining companies' investments. But this is where things get complicated. Some experts argue that AI advancements could actually increase demand for computing power in the long run, benefiting both AI research and Bitcoin mining. So is DeepSeek a threat or an opportunity for crypto miners? The jury is still out. AI's impact on crypto goes beyond mining. One of the biggest trends emerging today is AI-powered crypto agents. These are AI-driven bots that can analyze market trends, predict price movements, and even execute trades on their own. Some of these AI agents are designed to automate DeFi, decentralized financing strategies, managing liquidity pools, yield farming, and arbitrage trading without human intervention. Others serve as smart assistants for investors, analyzing historical trends to suggest optimal buy and sell points.
Kathy, I want to talk a little bit more about how companies might use AI in the year ahead, because I speak to a lot of investors and they want to stay in the hardware space, investing in the chip makers, because they're not clear yet on how companies will actually use AI and maybe actually boost productivity. Do we get further along in that investment timeline in 2025?
That's such a great question, Katie. Well, let's talk about what happened in 2024 to set the stage for what we think might happen in 2025. In my view, 2024 is a year where AI really went mainstream. 92% of the Fortune 500 adopted Gen AI solutions internally and spent around $14 billion on these solutions. But what's even more importantly, a lot of major companies, so think Walmart, JP Morgan Chase, Microsoft, Google, all announced in their public earnings calls that they've had significant success and significant measurable ROI using their Gen AI projects internally. So that gives me a lot of hope and confidence that budgets will continue to expand into 2025. Now, the big question is, can the hype turn into actual proof in a wide-scale manner in 2025? And in order to see that, we're going to have to see more adoption amongst all the employees at a company, not just within certain functions or certain specific projects. And we have to see more guidelines on how we actually measure ROI.
The potential is exciting, but it also comes with risks. These AI agents rely on vast amounts of data, and if their models are flawed or manipulated, they can make catastrophic trading decisions. There's also the risk of market manipulation, where powerful AI-driven trading bots could influence crypto prices unfairly. With any revolutionary technology, scammers always find a way to exploit it. The rise of AI-powered crypto agents has led to an explosion of fraudulent projects. Recently, fake DeepSeek AI crypto tokens started appearing on networks like Solana and Ethereum. These scam tokens claimed to be tied to DeepSeek's technology, but had no actual connection to the company. Their only purpose was to trick unsuspecting investors into buying worthless tokens before the scammers disappeared with the funds. This isn't an isolated case. There have been numerous AI-themed crypto scams, from fake AI trading bots promising guaranteed profits to Ponzi schemes disguised as AI-powered hedge funds. So how can you avoid these scams? Here are a few key tips. Always verify if a project is backed by a legitimate company or team. Check for a clear roadmap and technical documentation. Be skeptical of guaranteed profits. There's no such thing in crypto. Avoid FOMO, fear of missing out. Scammers rely on urgency to get you to invest without thinking. The intersection of AI and crypto is just beginning, with innovations like DeepSeek AI proving that open-source models can rival billion-dollar projects. We are entering an era where AI is more accessible than ever. But with accessibility comes responsibility. AI-powered crypto agents can make trading more efficient, but they also introduce new risks. Scammers will always try to take advantage of hype, so staying informed and cautious is key. Ultimately, AI and crypto are shaping the future together. Whether that future is filled with opportunities or pitfalls depends on how we navigate this emerging landscape. What do you think? Will AI revolutionize crypto trading, or is it just another hype cycle? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the world of technology and finance. Be sure to follow WAGMI on X and check out our Spotify podcast channel for condensed crypto summaries, daily alpha, news, and in-depth analysis. I will be dropping the links in the description below. Don't miss out. Thanks for tuning into WAGMI. Don't forget to like, share, and explore our other episodes. Catch you on the next episode. Have an amazing day.